Coimbatore. For the past 2 years, we have conducted many activities, a sub-theme of menstrual hygiene, personal hygiene, and home and environment. First, I would like to focus on our first activity, health and hygiene with respect to anemia and menstrual management through home remedies. This activity was conducted in collaboration with Arogya Foundation of India, Ekal Abhiyan Yojana team, Central Planning Committee team, and this was a massive event with grand success where 773 students were benefited and faculty members of about 65 members were benefited. All were given with a free guide of managed to anemia and menses through home remedies, regional book. This was the glimpses of the book that is given to them. So our ultimate aim was to empower rural women through home remedies project. Our second event was menstrual hygiene practices in terms of sanitary pad usage and disposable campaign. This was conducted in association with Vanessa Company, Nova Health and Hygiene Chennai. The company peoples came and gave a demo on how to use the sanitary pads effectively and how to safely dispose the sanitary pads. More than 18 faculty members and student beneficiaries of about 62 members were benefited, and all were given with a free sample of cotton sanitary pads.
I am Dr. R. Pungurali, Professor, Information Technology Department of K.S. Rangaswamy College of Technology. I am also a member of Women Hygiene Wing. Our third activity is hand wash practices for children and women through girl students. Our students and faculty members, in association with Zeta and Green Compass, have visited several government schools to create awareness on hand washing. Key points they addressed were the method of hand washing, importance of hand washing, washing before eating and after using the bathroom. They teach the kids the easy steps for hand washing, and they have created awareness on diseases spread by not washing their hands. Our students have created a flyer and model for hand washing day. To create awareness on hand washing, our students and our faculty members have visited several government schools. They spend their time with the school children and make them understand the importance of hand washing and the disadvantages of not washing their hands. Our students have shown a demo on hand washing, and they have presented and delivered steps of hand washing. Also, we have provided soaps and liquids to schools. 73 of our college students and 25 of our faculty members have visited several government schools, and 100 school students have got benefited. Our students have visited the schools often as a follow-up to monitor whether the school kids understood and follow the habit of hand washing. Thank you.
Our next activity is on sanitation hygiene as awareness versus business model for women. This activity was conducted in collaboration with Durga's Academy, Erode. Mrs. Premlata, cosmetologist cum soft skill trainer, motivated the students with her inspiring story of women in business on sanitation and hygiene and beauty area. More than 58 student participants and 17 faculty members were benefited. They learned about the market scope for sanitation products like herbal soap and pepper soap. Our next activity is on village drive to provoke women thoughts on sanitation. This activity was conducted in association with Nature Science Foundation, Coimbatore. Our faculty members of about 20 to 27 members were segregated and took to the village like Devanagurchi and Anangur village of Tiruchengodu Taluk. They were segregated into 3 batches. Mapping analysis was done in the village, and all the faculty members visited individual houses, and they provoked the thoughts of sanitation and hygiene in maintaining their home and environment safely to prevent them from devastating diseases like dengue. They were also given with awareness pamphlet on dengue. These are some of the appreciations that we have received in the past 3 years for our activities related to empowering women in the area of sanitation and hygiene. Myself, I have received the award twice for this area. Our team works and always will work on women empowerment through sanitation and hygiene. It should not be the least priority for any single woman. Hygiene leads to wealth, health, and sustainable economy. Prevention is always better than cure. Thank you for the opportunity.